YouTube fam, Savagetech back in the building, and today we're going to be looking at the Applewatch Ultra 49mm Series 8. You know how we do, no fluff, dive right in head first. This box is huge compared to the normal size of Apple Watch boxes. That's the difference. Nice package presentation. They say this is for the thrill seekers and adventurers. But Savage say, if you like the tech, get it. 100 strong. So here we have the menu. You know, that thing that most of us never read. Diving right in. It's describing the watches, the setup, the functions of the button, the microphone holes, speakers, etc. The new watch face, the Dive app, and the terms of service. I guess that's what this is. Next, let's get to the nitty gritty. Ooh, you just gotta love that pill. Such satisfaction. Work it. Bam. Alright. So jumping in this box. If I can get it open. Come on. Come on. You can do it, Savage. There she go. In all her glory. All right. You have the charging cable. And it's a USB-C. It's braided too. Check it. Supposed to be faster charging, and I can attest to that. It charges pretty fast, that Ultra. This is what it's all about, my YouTube fam. Right here. And I can't get it off fast enough. And I know I'm being brutal with it, but that's what savages do. No pun intended. All right, let's work it out here. Ooh, that's some sweet metal right there. OMG. This thing is beautiful. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Look at that tech. So right off the bat, you can see that you have an array of microphone holes. You know, nice size speaker. That screen is awesome. There you have the crown, your other little button, and the new feature, the action button to get you going, you know, vroom, vroom. That's nice. But let's dive a little deeper into this package and check out these bands. You know, I bought a couple of knockoff bands from Amazon, you know, but they didn't do it for me. All right. The package is telling you how to set it up. I mean, these bands right here look pretty nice. Yeah, sorry I'm out of focus a little bit, but you know, even the real slip up from time to time. These bands feel pretty good. You know, much better than those knockoffs. So I suggest you get those bands from Apple. You know, that's just me saying. But $99 could be a problem. You feel me? These things are pretty flexible too. You know, should be able to take a beating. You know, swimming in the water, mountain climbing, biking, you know. Ooh, there she go. You know, the white one is 2 of 2. The yellow is 1 of 2. You know, if you follow the channel. So, from my understanding, the 45mm bands will fit this too. I haven't tried, just heard. Alright, so that's the little safety clip. You know, make sure you don't lose your precious gadget. Yo, Savagetech. Yes, sir. Yes, man. That's a little stiff going in. But you know, we'll push through it. So push it through and then twist the other part back and you'll get a little click. You saw how Savage did it. 100. Now, I didn't buy these to be swimming in no ocean. Really, you know, climbing no mountain. You know, I got these for the tech and the battery life. You know, that's what it's about for me. You know, I don't know what it's about for you, but look at them. They gorgeous. Some things huge too. Savage, if you will. With a hefty feel. I have been using these for a minute. I have 2 lines on my iPhone. So, one is connected directly to the iPhone via Bluetooth. The other is connected to the second line, but it is only running off the cellular network. This is what I'm seeing with the battery life. The one that's connected via Bluetooth, the battery lasting longer. So, just say the Bluetooth battery has 74%. The other one will between 68 and 62%. You know, give or take. You know what I'm saying? Let's strap on this Savagetech. You all have the new watch face, which illuminates red, orange, or whatever. Much love to all of you that subscribe to the channel. Stop by, the likes, the comments. Want to see more? Sub, like, and hit that bell for new content. Savage out.